Looking for the best 3D printing liquids? In this video we look at some of the top 3 3D printing liquids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Sparkmaker 3D Printer SLA Resin LCDT. Pros: clear photosensitive resin. Low odor. Tough and clear. Can be used for engineering components. Use with PFD film or FEP film resin tank. Cures between 355 and 420 nanometers. Can be used with color pigments. Cons: longer-term exposure to ultraviolet rays may yellow this clear resin. Bottom line: this clear resin cures to a similar finish and tensile strength to ABS plastic. It's designed for use in SLA UV printers between 355 and 420 nanometers. At number 2. ELEGOO 3D Rapid Resin LCD UV Curing Resin. Pros: resin with transparent properties. Available in a range of vivid colors. Compatible with most ALP, LCD, and SLA printers. Low shrinkage. Good price. Cons: runny consistency, though some find it easier to clean up. Resin darkens in UV curing. Bottom line: a resin liquid that can take on any shape designed for the 3D printer, and cures with UV light. At number 1. Anycubic plant-based UV resin. Pros: made from soybean oil. Low odor. Biodegradable. Available in many bright and vivid colors. Compatible with most 3D printers. Cures quickly. Excellent for printing models, toys, and industrial prototypes. Cons: some colors are more readily available than others. Bottom line: between its detergent-like scent, bold hues, and 3D printing versatility, there is a lot to appreciate about this eco-friendly resin. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.